right, good morning, Bull Ring, and here is the motherfucking plan for today. All right, we are going to trade SPY live. Okay, if you guys remember yesterday, we had 3 great entries. Okay, here was 1, here was 2, here was 3, guys. Okay, and I want you to focus on when we get this drop. Okay, when do I get out on these drops? Okay, look at this right here, this little area. That means CM Williams is coming up. So that means that SPY found a bottom. All right, so here's a few more indicators to help you guys. Okay, so we know that this is the bottom here. Okay, we know that's the bottom because CM Williams turned on the 5-minute. Okay, and keep an eye when your cloud is curling. Check out the MACD. Okay, the MACD is flipping. Now in the bull ring, you guys know that we do have a nice feature called the ultimate indicator. And with the ultimate indicator team, we know that the MACD is flipping when we see these 2 lines cross, or we see this red bar. Okay, or if we see a green bar, that tells us that we're flipping. So if you have the ultimate indicator, guys, that's going to help you. Now, don't forget, if the clouds are flipping, guys, okay, you're going to set a $1 stop loss. Okay, so we want to bring our stop loss right where we're crossing, $1 up. Okay, and you can take profits at $1 down or hold a little bit longer depending on where you see the candle. So if you see the candles not going into the cloud, okay, then feel free to hang out in it. But you start seeing this, get out, guys. The other part too, we have a bottom there. Okay, long wicks. We have CM Williams. Okay, we have the MACD changing color, headed up, going from red to pink. And we do have a bottom on the RSI. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4 indicators that tell me it's time to exit the trade, guys. So we know if we're playing SPY, we're going to have 1, 2, 3 potential entries. Okay, this is the only one here that might fake you out. But remember, if you are winning 3 out of 4, that means that you won 75% for the day, which is an amazing win. Okay, so don't forget, guys, SPY 5-minute or Tesla on the 5-minute. Take care.